Day for the Vpad price, and yes, we will go right
So
now.
join the server's default channel. We have done this. So checkmark for the first one. Now checkmark for the second we only need to do. So address, enter.
There is not time enough, guys, anymore to whitelist for Fantompad, guys. So as I'm seeing, I will look right now, guys. We only have about 5 hours and 35 minutes while I'm making this video, guys. So go directly into this video, don't miss any part, because the whitelisting changed, guys, and it's more difficult than before. Before you only needed to click on one button. Right now there is a whole Discord channel where you need to be also signed up first in order to actually be eligible to have to whitelist for this free IDO allocation on Vlaunch, guys. So make sure to watch the video completely. I will try to explain it step by step while I'm doing it for myself live, guys. So let's go into the chart. And first of all, thank you to watch my videos. Please like, subscribe, and let's go into the content. So guys, as you can see, so we will start with, you click on Phantom. Very important, guys. I'll close maybe here the lights so you can see everything better, guys. So first of all, you click on Phantom. Step 1, you click by learn more. Then now we are coming by preparation. We see whitelist is started, we have the lottery, free IDO, and we have the distribution phase. So as you can see, I have staked 33,000 Vpads, what means I have a bonus reward of 214,500 Vpads, but like you see, tickets are still none, so I have 0 tickets. The reason for that is because we are still in the whitelist phase, we are still not in the lottery. From the moment we are in the lottery phase, we could see here some tickets getting more into it. Next thing, so of course you can always increase your Vpads, the bonus actually, by increasing stake. So how more bonus Vpad you have, how more chances you will get in this lottery system, guys. So here, then the steps to whitelist. Whitelist, guys, we will zoom in so you can read with us. The first thing, in order to whitelist, join Phantom Vpad Discord, join the server's default channels, type address. Okay, in order to whitelist, join Fantompad Discord. 1, join the server's default channel. 2, type address. Okay, so address wallet, address. Okay, and select the commands from hint, and then here, and then enter the address. Okay, so of course this could be different for everyone, so I think this is more my own address. Of course, let's check it, guys. Here, 1 second. Yes, 27. So yes, guys, let's go into Fantompad. So for everyone, this will be a different address because this will be your own address, guys. So make sure to not type my address, but to type your own address, guys. Very important, don't miss out on that. So focus on that. Next thing is press enter, join Discord. So make sure, guys, make sure that you already are having a Discord channel and connected. When you're working from your laptop, just connect it with your laptop. If you are doing it from your phone, then just click, then make sure you're logged in on Discord on your phone, guys. So that's very important, but let's go so you can actually see what's going on, guys. Okay. And let's go further. And so we will now click on join Discord. So guys, here, join Discord. When we will click on join Discord, now we are seeing that the official page is opening and Fantompad official server, we are there. In here now, right now, it's in Dutch. Je bent uitgenodigd om mee te doen, what means you are invited to join the server, Fantompad official server. Okay, then here in blue, guys, there is standing, of course, in blue, by me it's standing, doe mee met Fantompad official server. This means join
with the Fantompad official server. So you click on the blue bottom, guys. You click on the blue bottom. Okay, and right now, guys, we are in the Fantompad server, guys. As you can see, we are here. And so right now, guys, let's check what happened actually on Vlaunch. Let's check here. Okay, so we joined already the server. So now the only thing we need to do, so join the server's default channel. We have done this. So checkmark for the first one. Now checkmark for the second we only need to do. So address, enter wallet address. So we will see here, 1 second. We will see that we need to copy our address. So make sure to copy your own address, guys. Very important. Now copy. Okay, you have copied this address, guys. Very good. And right now, so we need to do slash and then address. Okay, and select the command from hint. Okay, so let's do it. So slash. So guys, they are saying we need to do slash. Let's wait 1 second. Yeah, this is better. So slash and address. So let's see, or that will be slash. Yes, we have it. And then CTR. Yeah, and then I will just paste it. Just slash, guys, and then paste your address. So when I do plugin means paste, guys. But of course, I need the slash in front of that. Slash. Yeah. So I will do it again, guys. Let's see. No. Let's do it again, guys, so that we don't make any kind of mistakes, guys. So we have slash. Okay, so normally enter wallet address. So here we seeing that addresses. So we click on addresses, guys. And now, yes, now we have it. Okay, guys, this is now right. Oh my God, this was not so easy. And now, guys, very important. So just address. And then actually what I did to get that, guys, I actually didn't do paste from my mouse, but I just did, of course, on an Apple laptop, you click on command and then V to paste. Yes, and on a normal laptop, it's CTRL and then P to paste. Jesus. And now, if I click on enter, I am entered, as you see right now. And now it's standing, opdracht wordt verstuurd. What means the directions are, the command is getting given. And then added in whitelist successfully, guys. Added in whitelist successfully. Wow, guys. So let's now look into Phantom. Yeah, guys. So let's see it and see or something happened now. So if I click that out and I click now on Phantom, guys. Yes. Perfect. And then here, whitelist. Let's read what it's standing. Whitelist. The project is now in whitelist stage. Users with staked Vpad can now sign up to participate in the upcoming lottery and sale. So you click here, guys. Join whitelist now. You click on join whitelist now. And of course, guys, let's see. Is it for free? Yes, guys. That's directly on the Ethereum network. I will just 1 second to make sure this is Ethereum. Binance Smart Chain, it's standing. So I will actually, I think it's, should I actually be listed because it's a Binance Smart Chain? But no, I think we can just sign up like that. So just join the whitelist now, guys. We'll click here, join the whitelist now. And then we will accept sign with our Ethereum and see what happened. Success, guys, successfully whitelisted. So perfect, guys. We are successfully whitelisted. Whitelist, the project is preparing for launch. Don't miss out anything, guys. Wow, we have whitelisted successfully. This was not an easy first time try, guys.
Of course, I can imagine that you're stressed. I will not make this video any longer. I will keep it short, guys. Very thank you to watch my content. I will make a next video also about the NFT punks, guys. So watch, be very careful to watch my channel, guys. I will try to explain it step by step, but I will need to upload this video as soon as possible so that you can anticipate, because if I'm looking right, we still have right now 5 hours and 20 minutes. It's enough for you guys to join the whitelist, but don't waste any more time, guys. Action is required right now. If you are a staker, don't miss out, because Fantompad could be really a good opportunity. And also, guys, there is on the Fantompad website, you can actually, on the Fantompad website, let's go to that, guys, just to do it. Fantompad website. There is a way to earn a little bit more phantoms, guys. So when you want, you can earn like a couple of maybe 100 or 200 if you are doing all the list, guys. So let's look here. 1 second. Incubate with Fantompad. Stake on Fantompad. 1 second. Meet the team. Okay, guys, let's see. Or method light people contact why Phantom. Look, look, the chances for the second is very low. I will just not do it, just because otherwise I'm afraid you will lose time. I will try to make maybe a second video after this video, so that at least you can already start signing up right now for Vlaunch, guys. Don't miss out on that. And please give me a like if my video was helpful, guys. If you like that I make more content to show you every single step and to let you understand what is the next target for Vpad, please give a like, share it. Also be very, also try to help as much of warriors knowing about this channel, guys, and that they actually can sign up. So everything will help out, because the YouTube algorithm is working against me. So my content is actually getting very hard to be spreaded out. So make sure so everything helps. Like, share, guys, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.